Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Replacing a laptop battery is very much easy. We have two laptops of HP and one laptop of Dell, and we are going to just see quickly how to replace our battery. And this is my laptop HP 1000. Its battery is not working. If you want to replace a battery, just flip the laptop and you can see here this portion is the battery, and if you want to remove this battery, just swipe that to this direction and you can see that it will just automatically come off. And this is the old battery. Now we are going to replace that with the new battery. This is the new battery which I have. This is the company, and we are going to open that. This is the packing of the battery, and now we are going to open that. Take that out. This is the new battery, and how you have to just place it like this and press that. The lock will come back to its initial position, and this is how you replace your laptop battery. So it is very easy. I'm going to show you the same procedure in my two other laptops. This is my Dell laptop, and if I show you the back side of this laptop, this is a 9-cell battery. The previous laptop was 6-cell battery, so there are two buttons to swipe. First this one, and this is already at this side. Now you can just take it out like this. If you want to replace the battery, you can just, with a new one, you can just place it and then slide, and these locks will be adjusted. If these locks are not adjusted automatically, make sure you point them to the locked direction. You have to manually do that if it does not work. I think this one is loose. Yes, it is working, but we have to do that manually. So make sure these both are in the locked direction so that it does not come off. So next is my HP old laptop, very much old. This one, I don't even remember its model. Let me see. So this is HP 530 laptop. This also has 2 marks here, so I'm going to swipe both of these in the same way. So you can see that the laptop battery just comes off very easily. If you want to replace with a new battery, just place it like this and just slide that in the inward direction. Make sure you place that horizontally like this and then slide that in the inward direction, and that's pretty much easy. So this is how you replace a laptop battery. Thank you. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.